I think that EPA offers the platform for European psychiatrists at least once in a year, come together, interact, hear at scientific, very good level, talks and, learn about what is going on in the world of psychiatry.
I think the EPA Congress is one of the places to be and to go. This is one of the Congress where you have a large number of clinicians. And with more clinicians, you share more skills, experience, approaches. And one of our top interests in psychiatry is to learn from others because we have different types of expertise.
I think that the European Congress is the unique place for psychiatrists, clinical psychiatrists, to join other colleagues, also for young psychiatrists, early career trainees, because it's a friendly atmosphere and you can share your research, your clinical practice, and every aspect of psychiatry, not just biological psychiatry or neuroscience, also social psychiatry, psychotherapy, and every area of the psychiatry.